beauty of ASEAN shines so bright, standing strong in the light. From dawnlit shores to twilight skies, together spirits high. Rhythms echo, voices sing, a symphony of hearts within. Kindness flows in every kind, hand in hand we bond together. Oh, ASEAN, united we stand, a land of dreams where cultures span. From rolling seas to mountains high, together become one and hearts align. United, together we rise, reaching for the sky.
Delegates, ladies and gentlemen, selamat tengah hari and good afternoon. Welcome to the 37th ASEAN Coordination Council. Datuk Seri Utama, the floor is yours.
Terima kasih, pengacara majlis, distinguished ASEAN colleagues, Secretary General of ASEAN, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure to welcome you to the 37th meeting of the ASEAN Coordinating Council. Let me begin by thanking all of you for the trust and confidence placed in Malaysia as chair this year, particularly in coordinating the important work of all three pillars through this council. Much has been achieved across these pillars. I am heartened that ASEAN continues to respond with resilience, resolve, and creativity. In moments of difficulty, we have chosen cooperation over confrontation and pragmatism over paralysis. This meeting provides us with the opportunity to reflect on how far we have progressed and how much we have delivered across ASEAN political security, economic, and socio-cultural pillars. Excellencies, our most significant achievement was the timely completion of the ASEAN Vision 2045, our shared future, along with its 4 strategic plans. These documents provide a clear and cohesive blueprint to advance ASEAN's transformation over the next 20 years. This would not have been possible without the tireless work of the high-level task force and the dedication of the officials across the 3 pillars, as well as the ASEAN Connectivity Coordinating Committee. We commend their efforts. Moving forward, we must now turn our collective focus towards implementation as we advance a people-centered ASEAN community that is inclusive, sustainable, and resilient. Secondly, we celebrate the full admission of Timor-Leste as the 11th member of ASEAN. This is a historic milestone for our community and a culmination of our collective effort over many years. The fact-finding missions by APSC, AEC, ASCC were instrumental in shaping a comprehensive roadmap for Timor-Leste's membership. And just as important has been Timor-Leste's steadfast determination, the steady progress through its active participation across the 3 pillars, accession to ASEAN's legal instruments, and alignment of its national system with ASEAN processes. Thirdly, we took crucial steps forward on regional sustainability and energy cooperation, particularly through the acceleration of the ASEAN Power Grid. As a flagship initiative, it strengthens connectivity, advances energy transition, and supports our commitment to a greener and more resilient future. Excellencies, these achievements speak to the strength of our coordination mechanisms, but they also remind us that the ACC must remain at the center of cross-pillar coherence. The challenges we face are increasingly complex and interconnected, and it is only through a whole of ASEAN approach that we can deliver meaningful results. The earlier meetings this morning have affirmed our shared determination to make ASEAN more responsive, more inclusive, and more impactful for our peoples as a credible voice in the wider region. This commitment is reflected in the range of deliverables we will present to our leaders at the summit, from artificial intelligence and digital safety to tourism, cultural heritage, and environmental sustainability. Collectively, these decisions will shape ASEAN's long-term trajectory and determine how effectively we can respond to the region's evolving needs while continuing to deliver tangible benefit to all our peoples. On that note, I look forward to a productive and constructive discussion today.